Hello, welcome to Impact ERP. In this video, I will show you the small mistakes often users make while preparing file for import. We make this file, we have this file of variable products with the variations in it. Let's go ahead and check that. First of all, we will check the type column. As you can see, there are variations listed in it. This should be variable. This is not, you cannot have variations here. This should be variables. Just do it like this. This all, as you can see, this column should contain the variables, not variations. The next thing we will check is the as parent and child SKU and check the duplicates for it. Just select these columns and click on conditional formatting. Under the highlight cell rules, click on duplicate values. You can specify the color here and just click OK. And this will show you the duplicate values, the duplicate SKUs. So you have to remove the duplicate SKUs if there are any. Actually, this is it's basically showing the child SKUs, the variations of the parent product. This is not a duplicates. Next thing we will check is okay. This enable reserve POS and enable reserve online should not contain any blank values. These all laws should be both columns should contain either a no or a yes value, but could not be this should not be the left blank. Another thing we will check is the outlet ID. Make sure that outlet ID should be the same for each of the products. And the last thing we will check is the function outlet stock. We will make sure that the formula is correctly applied on this. As you can see, this is the formula is being applied. I will show you how you can how you can specify the formula. Just follow the steps as I do. As you can see, I have selected this first row of function outlet stock. Type equal to, and then select this first row of T column. Type ampersand. Now we will merge the outlet ID like this. Type once again ampersand. Now we will select this second row V column. Type ampersand. Now we will select the quantity this time. Type ampersand again, and the last column should be merged is this, the W, second row of W, and click enter. As you can see, the formula is being applied. Now you just have to drag and drop this formula to all of the rows below. As you can see, the formula has been applied to all of the rows. Now we have to check that the formula that we have applied is correct or not. So just check this. So just check the quantities. As you can see in the fifth row, we have 3 quantity for this product. And to verify, check this T, this T, and check that if it is showing correct. As you can see, the quantities are 3. This is showing quantity 3. Okay, next we have this 2, this 7 row which have 2 quantity. Check that this is D2. This is correct. So the formula is correctly being applied. We have our file now ready to import. Thank you.